Okay, lesson 4. What do plants need to grow? Vocabulary: needs, soil, nutrients, circulation, and energy. Needs: elements required for a living thing to develop and grow. So it's what the things that are needed to live and grow. Soil: the upper layer of earth in which plants grow. So that's the part that we walk on. Nutrients: a substance that provides nourishment needed for growth. So those are the things that we get from food. And minerals: circulation: the movement around something. So the air is circulating around us, it's moving around us. Energy: power gotten from another source such as the sun. So we get our energy from food. Plants get their energy from the sun. Plants are living organisms. And remember, we talked about organisms before we left school. An organism is a living thing. Just like human, plants need certain elements to develop, reproduce, and survive. Without these basic needs, a plant cannot grow, produce seeds, or continue its life cycle. And the word produce means to make something new. So without the things that they need, they can't make seeds and they cannot continue their life cycle. Plants need soil. Many of the nutrients a plant needs to grow are found in the soil. Minerals such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are important nutrients taken from the soil through a plant's roots. So the plant needs the soil to get the nutrients that it needs. Plants need water. Plants, like all living things, need water to survive. Plants use water to help them move nutrients throughout the plant. Plants also use water as well as sunlight to make their own food. Plants need sunlight. Plants need energy from the sun to make food. Without sunlight, plants cannot produce chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a key element in the process of photosynthesis, the process by which a plant makes its own food. So remember, we talked that chlorophyll is the green part in the plant, and photosynthesis is how the chlorophyll and the sunlight and the water helps to help the plant make its own food. Plants need room to grow. Plants need space so leaves, stems, and roots can expand as they grow. Overcrowded plants are less likely to gather enough sun to make the food they need. Crowded roots result in smaller plants. Without proper air circulation and enough space to grow, plants can become diseased or sick. So without getting enough air moving around and enough space to spread out and grow, the plant might get sick. So talk about it. Turn and tell a partner what a plant needs to grow. And then compare. What do we need? What do humans need? And what do plants need? How are those things alike? And how are those things different? And so you can make a Venn diagram. And remember, we learned how to do that in class. Make your two circles. And then on one side, put what do the plants need. On the other side, so what do you need? And in the middle, you're going to put the things that are alike. So think about what you have learned about the needs of plants. Compare the needs of plants to the needs of humans, and how are they alike? And tomorrow we will do lesson 5. And one other thing that you will have is a sheet that looks like this that you can draw in your science journal, and be sure to take a picture of it and put it in your portfolio, because this will be for a grade. It says plant parts, plant needs. And then on the bottom, you have seeds, sunlight, leaves, water, fruits, flower, air, soil, stem, and roots. Is it a plant part or is it a plant need? You're going to put the word in the correct place on your sheet. You're going to put the word in the correct place on your sheet. And I hope you all have a good day.